motorcycle, I had to get out and go for a ride. It's been really tough here in Michigan, and it's only like 50 degrees out, but I figured I'd come up to the dealership. They're having a testing of the bikes, so and it would catch that activity, see what's going on. Looks like we have all kinds of bikes here. They're also doing a demo ride today. This bike looks a lot like mine. I need to get some food here. What do we got going on? Oh, we got some burgers going. Just getting them going? All right.
We got lots of hot dogs, chili.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Why did they close? I mean, what are they doing to us?
Right now, supposedly, they're going to split it into fours to where they're going to rent it out as a warehouse slash. So it's not going to be a retail. What happened to it?
Is this a Euro? Royal Enfield. Cool.
Good. How about you?
Real good, real good.
Good to see you, brother. What a good ride this morning.
Yeah.
Man. We got
You dusted it off today, huh?
I haven't dusted it off since last winter.
What?
That's how it's at all winter.
Really? With the few times you've been out with the salt on the road and everything?
I've been out, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It ain't too bad, but I just got a cleaning coming.
How's it going?
Good to see you.
Yeah.
I wondered where you were. You just in here?
I've been walking around for a little bit. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Just got the ones.
You like that?
Yeah. You just do the cams on here?
No, it's just got, not really, no, it's got the straight cams, it's just got the stage 1 and the 5.
Sounds awesome. It does. It does. It really does.
It's standing back over here. I go, hey, that sounds good.
I'm hoping, I just want to change.
So I thought it had the 116 kit on it or something.
Everybody, they say stay away from the 116.
For a little while, they're trying to figure out what's going on. It could be the power commander.
That was what turned me on when I saw that. When I saw this bike with that, I was like, dang.
Yeah, that's nice. No, that's sweet.
So I thought it was good.
Father, we ask for a blessing upon everybody here, that we have a long, safe, enjoyable ride season, free from mechanical difficulties.
No, man. Not full face, no.
Okay, so that about does it for this little ride. These guys are going to be going on a ride that's only about 4 or 5 miles, just to stop off to get a bite. But since I already ate, I'm going to skip that, and I have to go and help some people out, run a camera, and that's a 50-mile ride for me, and it's going to be a beautiful day for that. I love 50, 55 degree weather. It's the best weather for motorcycle riding, in my opinion, especially on this bike. This bike here is so comfortable that you can't believe it. It's with the heated grips, heated seat, all the wind protection, no problem. So that'll do it for today, and until next time.